seen. World is moving way too fast, looking for a peace that lasts. But I remember what they said before I ever laid my head. There's a foundation strong and true to pull me through. When the waves get high and the days get long, I go back to the roots, back to the song, the simple truth that makes me strong. Read your Bible, pray every day, pray every day, pray every day. Read your Bible, pray every day, and you'll grow, grow, grow.
And you'll grow, grow, grow.
And you'll grow, grow, grow. Grow, grow, grow.
Don't need to complicate the way.
Just seek His face.
Every day, in the morning, in the night, let His word become the light.
It's the water for the seed.
It is everything I need.
Plant my feet on solid ground where grace is found. When the waves get high and the days get long, I go back to the roots, back to the song, the simple truth that makes me strong.